folks. I am on a specifically overgrown small peak nearby Orpheus Peak. Over there is Orpheus Peak, and we decided to come a bit around this area, see my cousin Stasi. Hey-oh. She's over there, and these are just amazing places. All the area in on the Mursalica part of the mountain is like that. You like it? Please comment below, and if you like these videos from the Bulgarian mountains, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share to your friends. Thanks for watching, guys, and for your support. I'm gonna be showing you more and more, and I will never stop until I die. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.